Hello traders, welcome to this video on the vertical line, also known as the vertical timelines indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool helps you mark and organize specific moments on your chart so you can visually study how price behaves over selected periods. At this point, I'll go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. I'm using back to allow the LL imports. Just scroll back to the beginning. Alright, there we have it. As you can see, the vertical timelines tool displays straight vertical lines that cut through the price chart at specific time points you choose. Each line runs from the bottom to the top of the chart, visually separating trading sessions, news events, or key time windows, so it is easy to compare how price behaves before, during, and after each marked area. When several vertical lines are placed side by side over days or weeks, they create clear visual segments that help you see trends, support and resistance touches, and repeated patterns within the same time windows. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at what we have at the inputs. Right, so within MetaTrader, you can set each vertical line's exact date and time. You can choose its color, line style, and thickness so it lands or it stands out clearly on your charts. You can create multiple lines to mark recurring time intervals such as session opens or specific trading hours, allowing you to quickly spot which parts of the day produce the cleanest moves. Because the tool is fully manual, you can move, clone, or delete lines at any time to adjust how you frame the markets as your analysis evolves. Alright, so who is this indicator for? Vertical timelines are especially useful for traders who analyze the market based on time, such as intraday traders focusing on sessions, news events, or repeating intraday patterns. They do not generate signals or forecasts on their own, and like any visual aid, they can create clutter if overused, so they work best as a simple timing framework combined with your existing price action and indicator analysis. Right, so the download links and more details and the description below. You can read the full vertical timelines article, including strategy examples and pros and cons, at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.